Welcome back to Accessibility Officer. Today we're comparing and contrasting two approaches to digital accessibility: automated accessibility testing tools and accessibility overlays. For more content like this on web accessibility or our workplace disability inclusion best practices, please hit subscribe. It helps us and helps share our videos with others organically. Thanks for doing that, and now let's dive in. Both automated accessibility testing tools and accessibility overlays, sometimes referred to as accessibility widgets, can assist in making the web more accessible, but each has their own limitations. We'll provide a high-level overview of what these tools are, how they are used, and the pros and cons for each use. Let's start with automated accessibility tools. An automated accessibility tool is software that scans the code of a website to find accessibility violations. Essentially, these tools quickly determine where the bad code is on your website that prevents people with disabilities from using it. Why this would be important for your business is that most of us don't want to break United States laws under the ADA or the Americans with Disabilities Act. Plus, helping everyone to have equal access to all publicly available information, goods, and services is the right thing to do. Pros of automated accessibility tools: speed. Automated accessibility tests are fast. Getting test results in minutes or seconds enhances productivity, as you're able to find and fix accessibility violations quicker. Accurate. Automated accessibility testing runs the exact same test every time, eliminating human errors in testing and reporting. And they're repeatable. Running automated accessibility tests frequently can identify new accessibility violations that have been introduced to your website, like missing alt text for images, unlabeled links, or improper use of accessible rich internet applications, commonly known as ARIA. Cons of automated accessibility tools: limited scope. Automated tools can't catch all types of accessibility issues, especially those requiring human judgment, or if the user experience is dynamic and interactive. False positives and negatives. Automated testing can incorrectly identify issues, false positives, or fail to detect real problems, false negatives. Lack of context. Automated tests are less effective at identifying certain types of violations and do not understand contextual relevance or purpose. Now let's move on to accessibility overlays. Accessibility overlays offer users a floating interface to adjust a website's design and navigation features to better suit their needs, such as changing font sizes, color contrasts, or removing overstimulating content. For people who do not have a significant disability and are reliant on special software to access websites and mobile apps, like the late Dr. Stephen Hawking, accessibility overlays and widgets provide easy access to the accessibility features already built into Windows, Apple, and Android operating systems. Pros of accessibility overlays: quick and easy. Accessibility overlays can be quickly and easily installed on a website, often by adding a small snippet of code, making them appealing for website owners looking for quick fixes. User control. They offer users the ability to adjust websites according to their specific accessibility needs or preferences. Immediate improvement. For some users, accessibility overlays can provide immediate enhancements to their browsing experience on websites that may have poor color contrast, small text, or too much flashing and overstimulating content. Cons of accessibility overlays. Surface-level solutions. Like accessibility automation testing, overlays cannot address deeper structural accessibility violations. Legal and compliance risks. Over 900 U.S. federal lawsuits were filed against businesses in 2023 using accessibility overlays. And as stated in the 2021 accessibility lawsuit settlement with the payroll services company ADP, accessibility overlays are not sufficient at achieving minimal accessibility compliance standards under the Americans with Disabilities Act, as they do not fix underlying code issues. For more on accessibility overlays, you can dive in further with an objective analysis of 3 of the most widely used accessibility overlays on our blog at AccessAbilityOfficer.com. Check for the link in the description. Since you came this far, you probably learned something new or found this information valuable. And it would be very valuable to us if you became a brand new subscriber right now. It helps our channel grow and help others find videos like this on how to make your website accessible and our workplace disability inclusion best practices. Thank you for subscribing, and until next time, this is Accessibility Officer, your partner in empowering ability, enhancing accessibility.